it's me, Alegra. Babes, I was just at Sephora the other day and I got some amazing new products that I can't wait to share with you dolls. A few of them I've tried already and I was so blown away that I was just like, I couldn't wait to come and share it with you. But some of them I haven't tried before, but I've heard amazing things about. So I figured I would use everything today, kind of do a little demo and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. It's flippin' amazing. The ones that I've tried so far, and I have a good feeling about the others. So what it is, these are from Hourglass primarily, and so I got the Hourglass Illusion Hyaluronic Skin Tint. So I haven't used this already, but I heard amazing things about this, so I'm going to try this today. But I also picked up the Hourglass Vanish Concealer, which I've used already, and I was so in shock at the coverage and the finish. And oh my god, it was like nothing I've ever used before. So I can't wait to show this to you guys today, how it performs. And I also did pick up the new Hourglass No Makeup Brush. So you do use these in together, and you don't have to use them together, but when you use them together, the effect is unbelievable. So this is a new brush from Hourglass. It's primarily to use for your concealer, for your under eye. It's phenomenal. It is a new technology that I can't even begin to describe how amazing the effect is when you apply your concealer with this brush. So they're super densely packed. It has a very unique beveled shape. Oh my god, I used this the other day and I was completely in shock, and I couldn't wait to come share this with you guys. So also I already did my eyes, and I am wearing the Anastasia Amrezy palette, and I've been wearing this constantly. I love this palette, and today I used the warm tone shades in my crease, and then I put these baby pink shades on the front portion of my lid, and then I put the purple shade here towards the back of my eyes and under my eyes, and I could not believe it because I've never worn that color combination together before, purple and brown and pink and brown. I've never worn that combination, and I was so like, I was blown away when I saw how they were color combining together, and I was like, oh girl, this is cute. And it's very different because, like I said, I've never worn that color family together before, pink and brown and purple. But I absolutely love it. So, and I do have on my flutter lashes. So with all this being said, dolls, let's get right into it. Of course I did my brows. These are Anastasia brows. And so guys, I also did pick up the BECCA Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. So I've never used this before, but this is another product that I've been hearing amazing things about. I did try it in the store on the back of my hand, and I was like, girl, what? It looked amazing. And guys, I gotta tell you, so this is gonna be my first time. I think I will try this today. I was considering not trying it today, and I was wanting to just maybe do concealer and powder and the skin tint, but actually I think I will pop at least a little bit of this on because it looked amazing on the back of my hand. The finish, the coverage, it was crazy. So I did get this shade, let me see here, Pebble, but they were sold out of so many shades. So anyway, if you go in store, it might be a little hard to get your color. I'm not even sure if that's my color, guys. So we'll just hope and pray, okay? So anyway, let me go ahead. I did prime my face already. I used my Revlon primer, which I've been using like crazy. And I also did put on a little tiny bit of Benefit Porefessional. So I don't know, I'm just, you know, I love to do the most. So anyway, here it is now. This color I was worried was going to be too dark for me because they didn't have samples out. But I got the shade Golden Tan, and I do like to warm up my complexion, so that's why I don't know if this is my color, guys, but it actually does look. It looks really good. It's not too yellow. So hopefully ooh, this is nice. Wow, I'm really happy because, like I said, I didn't try this in the store, and they didn't have any testers out of this color, so I didn't get to see what the color looked like. But let me get a little brush here. So like I said, this is my first time using this. So actually this looks very full coverage. So maybe I'll try the BECCA another day because this looks, I'm not sure, guys. We're gonna, wow. So this looks really full coverage already. I love the color in itself. It's not too, you know, orangey or yellow for my complexion because I am on the paler side, but it's hard for me a little bit because I'm pale, but I'm not that pale. I'm not like an ivory. And of course, I do love to warm up my complexion. I know people have issues with people doing that, but I don't know why. Because it's, you know, it's better than the sun. It's better than, you know, actually getting a tan if you want to look a little golden. So this is gorgeous. I was really worried, guys, because I really did not think this was gonna match my complexion. But this is gorgeous, and it's melted right into my skin. It doesn't feel oily whatsoever. I do have, my skin is on the oily side, so a lot of things will leave me feeling oily or kind of greasy, and I don't like that. And this does not feel oily or greasy whatsoever. It actually feels just really nice on my skin, and I'm surprised that it's dried down like this. It's like melted into my skin, and it doesn't feel heavy or anything. And this color is gorgeous. Wow, this feels lighter in weight than, say, the It Cosmetics CC cream, but it gives that same kind of look, a glow and a you know, just a lit from within kind of glow, but it doesn't feel as kind of oily. It feels totally weightless now, so that's really amazing. Because I was in love with my It Cosmetics CC cream, but sometimes it left me feeling a little oily, but I loved it. Gave this kind of look. So this is the same thing, but it's kind of like, you don't feel any heaviness on your skin, you don't feel any weight on your skin, you don't feel any oiliness. So, and it is going to be moisturizing because it does have hyaluronic acid in it. So that's really amazing. Moisturizing with no oily, greasy feeling. Yes, that sounds completely fine with me. That sounds like everything. So, okay, really quickly. Now, I know for a fact that this product I'm going to show you next, guys, is way too light for me. I used it the other day and I was like, oh, damn, it was really light. But, you know, I'm not going to return it because I really don't have time for that right now. Otherwise, I might exchange. But anyway, I'm just going to show it to you guys for the purposes of just showing you how amazing it is today. But I'm going to blend it out with a little bit of foundation because it is pretty light. So here it is, guys. This is the Hourglass Vanish Concealer in the shade Birch. So it's really white. It's really, really light. But it does have this beautiful doe foot applicator. And so I'm just going to put it. Oh, it feels so good. This is actually my first time using it in a makeup look, because the other day I put it on just on the go, and I was just like in my car, and I didn't have any makeup on, and I just put it on, and it just instantly made me look just so much better because I was having like a bad day. I felt so tired, and I put some of this on, and I was like, wow, I just felt so good about myself. I felt so much better, like I just looked revived and awake and all that. So anyway, this is my first time actually using it with a makeup look, like doing my full makeup. So I'm not actually sure. It might be, oh, actually, oh my God, guys, I forgot. I got the brush. Yes, now this is it. This is amazing. As I was like, why isn't this coming out the same as the other day? Well, actually, that's good to know, because the other day I did use it with the Hourglass No Makeup brush, and it did look different than how I just did it with my little MAC brush. So, okay, here is this is like everything right here. So, yes, this is amazing. See, that was kind of making it come out streaky, the other brush. And this brush does something like I've never seen in my life. It is so phenomenal. It's actually very densely packed bristles, and you just push it into your skin, and the shape is just phenomenal at fitting into the corner of your eye for carving out your face. And then you can use the kind of like use the beveled side to flick away. So, oh my God, it's so gorgeous. The foundation with this brush, I mean the concealer with this brush, is out of this world gorgeous. Wow. Oh my God, this looks 100 times better than even the other day when I was wearing this concealer, because the skin tint underneath is giving it like a glow and a kind of, the other day it was a little bit, it looked more full coverage. The other day, today, it's just like melted into my skin, and with the skin tint underneath, it just looks natural and effortless, but totally brightened. And then again, I just use the edge, and the bristles are so densely packed. Like I was saying, that when you flick it away, your edges, it just, oh my God, it's gone. It just vanishes into your skin. So I guess that's why they call it the Vanish Concealer, right? So here I'm just doing a bit of highlighting. I always highlight my chin area, and really use here. And then here you could just, again, push it in or flick. So Oh my god, this is gorgeous. The skin tint with this concealer is making the most gorgeous glow. Wow. I guess I'll put a little foundation on just for the purposes of trying it out with you guys, but I don't even, honest to God, I don't even think you would need foundation. So I'll put on a little bit of the foundation. This is the BECCA Ultimate Coverage, but I don't even think I'm going to put it over that concealer because that concealer looks so beautiful. I don't even want to take away from it. I hope you guys can see it. In real life, it's just so gorgeous. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this foundation on, just, you know, for fun and just to try it out, but you really don't even need to do this because if you use the skin tint and this concealer, oh my god. So I'll just put a, ooh, so this color does match me. Wow, I was afraid this color wouldn't match me either because it is, it looked a little dark in the store, but ooh, this is gorgeous. Okay, I'll put a little bit over here. Why not? Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Wow. Okay, I will go, now I'm just going over the concealer because this color is so gorgeous. I didn't want to blend over the concealer, but now that I see how flippin' gorgeous this color is, I'm like, oh my god, this is such gorgeous makeup. I'm so happy. I was actually like, girl, you cannot buy more makeup, but you know, I needed to celebrate because my birthday's coming. This will be my birthday makeup right here. This is my birthday makeup for sure. So I'm just going to go ahead and just quickly do some contour. This is my Fenty Mocha. So guys, I'm just going to set this really quickly with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. We'll put on a lip, and should we do blush? Oh, I got a new blush, guys. I forgot. I got a blush from Hourglass that is phenomenal. So I'm just going to take some translucent powder, and this is the Makeup by Mario face brush. I love this brush so much. I'm so happy I got this brush set. And so I just just very gently tapping it on under my eyes. And guys, I got this brush the other day at the drugstore. This is from Real Techniques. I believe this is new. I've never seen it before, but it is so good. You can use this. Actually, I love using this to get under my eyes as well. I did just put the powder under my eyes like that, and it really hugs under your eyes so good. So actually, this is maybe my new favorite. And you can also use it to contour and as a blush brush. So I'm just taking some of this Fenty bronzer, and I'm just going to use this to bronze. Oh, this brush is so good. You can use it for like almost everything. Wow. So really quickly, I'm just going to pop on some highlighter first, and so this is the Natasha Denona Diamond blush palette. And so now I'm going to put this on now, guys. I have worn this before. Again, I just popped this on the other day, and I have never seen anything. I'm not even joking. I've never seen anything like this. It's the Hourglass Incandescent Electra Strobe Lighting Blush. Oh my god. So I did wear this the other day, and I was blown away. I truly could not believe it. Wait till you see this. So I'm just going to take my Real Techniques brush again. I don't even know if you need to wipe off the excess, but you know, just for purposes, you know, just to be on the safe side. But anyway, oh my god, wait till you see how gorgeous this is. So that's it. You just put it on and it looks amazing. You don't even have to do it. That's it. You don't even have to do anything else. You don't have to blend. You don't need anything, any kind of special blending techniques or secret blending techniques. Nothing. You just put it on and you're flawless. I've never seen anything like this. I'm stuttering because I'm so in shock. You don't even need a mirror to apply this because it's just so flawless. Naturally, you don't even need to do anything. I'm just doing this for fun, but it's already, I mean, how crazy is that? For me, that's crazy because you guys know I blend. Oh my god, I struggle and strive to get my blush just right. It just melted into my skin, and it did this the other day too, when I had no makeup on, I had no primers on, I had nothing on, and I just popped this on. And like I was saying, I was doing my makeup in the car the other day on the go. And I put on the concealer and I put on this and I felt so like alive and happy. And I was like, wow, makeup really is therapy, because I was having the worst day. And after this blush and this concealer and the concealer brush, I was like, I was just so happy. I was like, this is therapy. This is better than therapy. So, oh my God, I hope you guys can see that, but trust and believe, you don't even need anything. The other day, like I was saying, I did the same thing with, I don't even think I had a mirror. I was just, you know, in my car. I had nothing underneath. No, it's not the foundation. It's not the primer. It's nothing but that blush. So it did the same thing the other day, like I was saying. So I couldn't wait to come share that with you guys. So I'm just going to give myself a quick spritz, like always, of my Alegra Tiny Beauty Mist for glowing skin and longer lasting makeup too. These products really leave you glowing though. So this is just extra glowing, extra plumped, extra radiance. And definitely when you use my spray, you don't need to do any touch-ups. And it's not just me, because everybody that purchases it, use it, says it. They're like, I can't believe how long my makeup lasts, that you don't need touch-ups. So I know I used to always, as an oily skin person, I used to need to do a lot of touch-ups throughout the day. And since I perfected and created my beauty mist, I've never had to do touch-ups again. So it's really amazing. So this is the look, guys. I'm just going to pop on a really quick nude lip because, you know, why not? I'm going to go out now, guys. So this is makeup I feel amazing wearing out. I really definitely going to wear this exact look on my birthday. So, and then this is just the Smashbox lip liner in nude medium. I love these Smashbox lip liners. They're so good. I don't know if any of you guys have it, but I didn't know for the longest time, but how you sharpen it is you just push down. I didn't know that, actually. I had no idea. So, and this is the color I've been loving. I'm not sure if they still have it, but it's the Anastasia lipstick in Blossom. I don't know how, I'm sure they have it at Sephora. I love this lip. And guys, finally, I did get this, just to, you know, quickly, I did get this the other day at Sephora also. I guess I did a Sephora haul, basically. It's so hard, though, because the bag was so little, but it was, that's littler things are so expensive. But anyway, I did pick this up as well. This is the Dior lip, this is also new at Sephora. It's the Dior lip oil. And this is the cherry oil, and I have to tell you, this is so phenomenal. It is like a lip oil, super moisturizing, but also gives you a gorgeous gloss-like effect. I mean, my lips felt so good after I wore this. I truly couldn't believe it. So dolls, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out my Sephora haul and all my new Hourglass goodies and that BECCA foundation. Oh my God, and that Dior lip oil. There's so much good stuff in today's. I really did good, guys. I really did good. This is phenomenal. And it's all really different. That's what I really like too, because a lot of times you buy stuff and it's not different. It seems like they've come out with a lot of new makeup technology, a lot of new beauty innovations. That brush, oh my God, that concealer, that skin tint, wow, my skin feels I have to tell you guys, I actually feel like I have no makeup on right now. It feels amazing on my face. I feel no heaviness. It feels totally lightweight. A lot of times that's why I was thinking at the beginning of the video that I didn't feel like wearing foundation today, because I just didn't feel like having that kind of heavy feeling. But this whole thing here feels like nothing. It feels like I have nothing on my skin. I feel like I'm makeup free. Wow. It's really amazing. So this is definitely gonna be my birthday makeup. Yes, I'm so happy. So that's pretty much it, guys. So let me know if you've tried any of these, or will you be willing to try them, or what. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and know if you've tried them yourself. And definitely, guys, I would love to have a pop-up giveaway today. So actually, I want to have a few pop-up giveaways. Well, of course, on the 27th, I'm announcing my huge monthly makeup giveaway winner. And then I have a new giveaway, which I already got for you guys. I've been collecting some amazing stuff from iMats. I can't wait to show you. But for today and leading up to my birthday, I'm going to have lots of pop-up giveaways. So today's pop-up giveaway is for a $40 Sephora gift card. So if you'd like to enter to take part, just subscribe to my channel. All my giveaways are for my subscriber. We have tons of pop-up giveaways, and we have a huge monthly makeup giveaway every month. So it's all kinds of good stuff, good times here on my channel. So I definitely hope you'll subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and just comment below and let me know that you'd like to take part in the giveaway and be entered to win that $40 Sephora gift card. So that's pretty much it, guys. I love you so much. I hope you're all doing amazing, and I will see you beauty soon. Bye. I love you.